Hey guys, this is Fundom on Manjopagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Mbata used charm to try and swindle money from Sondo. They go on Guanjomane on VIP lounge and they ask for a table, but Shelo tell them that the table are falling. And Mbata disappointed Shelo in front of Sondo. And it seems like Mbata does not respect a woman, and Sonto noticed that. While Njinji effort at the reconciliations are met with a cold response from Nomaswazi. Nomaswazi wants to do the things he wants on the her way. Nunkai is convinced to plead guilty and Gwanda does not want to confess on the police, while Mondli is trying to get Konzi and tell that who killed Mr. Twala. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.